Welcome to HandiFox Online. In this quick tour, we'll walk through the web interface together so you can feel confident navigating your new inventory system from day one. Let's start in the top right corner, where you'll see several icons. The bell icon shows sync history. Here you can review when syncs happened and spot any issues to share with HandiFox support. The mobile icon provides a QR code to download the HandiFox mobile apps for Android and iOS. We'll dive into mobile functionality in another tutorial. The gear icon opens system settings. Be sure to check out our initial setup video, as we like to say, set it right and it works light. The question mark icon takes you to the contact form and our self-help hub. Finally, the QuickBooks Online synchronization icon lets you force sync HandiFox, which you might need in emergency cases, otherwise it happens automatically. On the left, you'll find the sidebar menu. Clicking Create gives you quick access to all transaction types and data points. Once you've used it a few times, you'll really appreciate how much faster these shortcuts make your workflow. Your dashboard highlights the key vitals of your inventory: items that need reordering, SKUs approaching expiration, mobile activity in the field, and any counting sessions awaiting manager approval. If you're still setting up your account, you'll also see a checklist of suggested steps right here. Next up is the General module. Here you can add or edit inventory locations and see which mobile devices are assigned to each location. In the Inventory module, the item list contains all your SKUs, whether synced from QuickBooks Online or added manually. You can customize the view by adjusting the columns. The Serial and Lot Numbers section lets you assign serials, lot numbers, and expiration dates to items that need tracking. In Barcodes, you can record existing barcodes or generate new ones, then print barcode labels. Barcode it now, thank yourself later. The QHO viewer, or quantity on hand, gives you a bird's-eye view of inventory levels across all warehouses. You can also set reorder points here to automatically restock. Counting sessions allow you to audit inventory either fully or in cycles. Add items manually from the list or speed things up by scanning them in with a barcode scanner. And if you need to move stock, the Transfer Center lets you create transfers between warehouses by selecting the source, the destination, and the items moving. If your business involves production or light manufacturing, the Manufacturing module will be especially useful. Here you can create bills of materials, also called manufacturing presets, that define a finished product and all of its components. Later, when creating new manufacturing orders, you can reuse these presets to save time and avoid repetitive data entry. Next, the Purchases module. Your vendors will appear here once you sync with QuickBooks Online. The Automatic Replenishment feature helps you plan what to order and when, using historical data or your own reorder points. Under Purchase Transactions, you can create item receipts to check inventory into your warehouse or generate purchase orders and receive stock against them. Moving on to the Sales module, your customers will also sync in from QuickBooks. From here, you can generate invoices, sales orders, sales receipts, credit memos, and payments. The Price Levels feature allows you to set up custom pricing strategies for select customers or items, so your pricing can be automated and more flexible. The Reports module gives you access to a set of powerful reports to help you monitor, analyze, and make data-driven decisions about your business. We'll cover these reports in detail in another video. Under Integrations and Add-ons, you'll find the Connect or Disconnect button that manages HandiFox's connection with your QuickBooks company file. If you haven't connected yet, check out our QuickBooks integration video for a step-by-step guide. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the HandiFox Online web interface. From here, we recommend moving on to the initial setup video in our Getting Started with HandiFox series, so you can configure everything properly and hit the ground running.